Very good morning, students. Today we are going to see exercise 12.3, sixth question. Question is, in a circular table cover of radius 32 centimeter. So let us suppose this is the center of the circle O. So from O to A it is 32 centimeter. So let me draw a median. So it's clearly mentioning that triangle ABC is an equilateral triangle. So in equilateral triangle, median and altitude both are same. So let us start doing the word solution here. So in triangle ABC, AD is median. In triangle ABC, AD is the median, and AO is equals to 32 centimeter. AO is to OD is equals to 2:1 ratio. Therefore, OD will be 16. Therefore, AD will be 32 plus 16, which is 48. Why? Because the median will divide the line into 2:1 ratio. So it is 2:1 ratio. In this 1 ratio will be 16, half. So 32 plus 16 overall it will be AD value will be 48. Now in triangle ABD, if we take in triangle ABD, AB square is equals to BD square plus AD square. So AB square is equals to BD is AB by 2 whole square plus AD is 48 square. So why? Because BD will be BC by 2. So BC can be written as AB. Why? Because in equilateral triangle all sides are equal. So next we can write it as AB square is equals to AB square by 4 plus 48 square can 48 square 64 6 48 32 64 70 16 7 23 2304. So it will become 3AB square by 4 is equals to 2304. So AB square is equals to 2304 into 4 by 3. So 3 sevens, 3 6, 3 eights. So 27, 28, 30. So AB square is nothing but 3072. So this is the value of AB square. So in order to get this design region area, we can simply do area of circle minus area of triangle. So it is, since it is equilateral triangle, we can use the formula as area of equilateral triangle is equals to root 3 by 4 a square, that is root 3 by 4 into any side. So our side is 3072. So 4 ones, 4 sevens 28, 4 6 24, 4 8 32. So 768 root 3. Next, area of circle we have to find, which is pi r square, that is 22 by 7 into 32 into 32. So we can keep as such. So area of shaded region, is equals to area of circle minus area of triangle. So area of circle is 22 by 7 into 32 into 32 minus 768 root 3. Since we cannot do further simplification, we can keep up to here. So this is the area of the shaded region, this total shaded region area we have found it. Let us take the seventh question. ABCD is a square of side 14 centimeter with centers A, B, C, D are 4 circles. So with centers A, comma, B, comma, C, comma, D are 4 centers. Four circles are drawn such that each circle touches externally. Such that each circle touches externally. Two of the remaining 3 circles. Two of the remaining 3 circles. Find the area of the shaded region. So there is a square in which there are 4 circles. So we need to find out this region area. So this is the square, which is A, B, C, D. So here AB is equals to 14. Let us see the word solution for this. AB is equals to 14 centimeters. So here there will be a center. So it can be, so let us give some name here, P, Q, R, S. So AS will be 7 centimeter. So radius of circle is equals to 7 centimeter. So now to get this middle shaded region area, it is nothing but area of the square minus area of the 4 sectors. Here ABCD is a square. So in square we have a property that angle A is equals to 90 degrees. It means that angle B also 90, angle C also 90, angle D also 90. So all each and every angle will be 90 degrees. So we can mention it as sector. So we have to find out area of the square minus area of the 4 sectors. So let us find out first area of the square. So area of square is equals to side into side, which is, so side is 14. That is equals to 14 into 14, which is 196 centimeter square. So this is area of the square. Next, area of sector. Formula is theta by 360 into pi r square, which is 90 by 360 into 22 by 7 into r square. Radius is 7 here. So 7 into 7, 7 gets cancelled. 4s, 2 2s, 2 11s. So it is 77 by 2. So this is for one sector. Like that we have totally 4 sectors we have. So area of 4 sectors is equals to 4 into 77 by 2, which is 154 centimeter square. So area of shaded region is equals to area of square minus area of 4 sectors. Area of the square we have 196 minus 154, which is 42 centimeter square. So this is the area of the shaded region. Next, same exercise, let us see the 12th question. Given figure OACB is a quadrant. So quadrant means 90 degrees. With center O and radius 3.5. So with center O and radius 3.5. if OD is equals to 2 centimeter, find area of so two questions is asking quadrant OACB, second shaded region. So there is a quadrant here with a triangle. So he is asking this shaded region also. So OEB, here there is D. Here there is a point C. So radius is 3.5 here, and here OD is 2. So first let us find out quadrant OACB. So let us take the word solution. So area of quadrant OACB is equal to area of the sector only. So theta by 360 into pi r square. Theta is 90 degrees in a quadrant. So 90 by 360 into 22 by 7 into radius. Here the radius is 3.5. So 3.5 into 3.5. So 91s, 94s, 2 2s, 2 11s. So 7 1s, 7 0.5s. So we can further write the step as 11 by 2 into 5 by 10 into 35 by 10. So we can write it as 55 into 35 by 200. Or else 5 1s, 5 2s, we can make simplification further. And 5 7s, 5 2s. So 77 by 8. So this is the simplified one. So area of the quadrant we can make. Next is asking area of the shaded region. So in order to find the area of the shaded region, first of all we need to find the area of the triangle. So area of triangle OBD is half into base into height. We are going with this formula half into base into height because it is the right angle triangle. So half into base is 3.5 and height is 2. 2 gets cancelled, so it is 3.5. So area of shaded region equals to area of quadrant minus area of triangle. So area of the quadrant we have 77 by 8 minus 35 by 10. So it is 5 7s, 5 2s. So we can do the simplification here. So it is 77 by 8 minus 7 by 2. So overall 8 here, 77 minus 28. 9 and 4. 49 by 8 centimeter square. So this is the area of the shaded region. 49 by 8 centimeter square.